Good morning, everyone. Am from China HONGDEFA Machinery. VIP Client Manager Tony Yao. Now am in Thika, Kenya. This factory has 150 tons per day maize milling machine, 8,000 tons silo and 5 ton per hour animal feed plant. All are supplied by our company. Our office in Ruiru, Kenya can give frequently door-to-door service, and we can do the fluting here and supply spare parts timely. Now, the maize milling plant was installed. Let me show you inside of the warehouse. This is a fully automatic paper bag packing machine. Save labor cost and high efficient. We use stainless steel to layer moisture dampener. The moisture bins are stainless steel, much more durable. Japan technology degerminators can remove germ and bran purely. Using 4 sets pneumatic roller mill. Feeding fully automatically. All pipes and cyclones and flour system are stainless steel. Using 3 sets semi-automatic packing machine. Using 4 flour bins, which can storage during night shift. Impulse dust filter can collect flour and dust in the air, making the workshop very clean. Using fully automatic PLC control system. This line can produce super white premium maize flour for making ugali. Welcome to contact us now. My WhatsApp number is 861383110760.